The situation we faced in Qualitor that led us to believe we needed help from an external party was threefold. We had declining market share that we had been noticing, driven directly by competitive pricing that we had not been taking advantage of that our competitors had. Secondarily, we were stagnating on growth and needed to find a way to improve our growth. Thirdly, we had a growing inventory balance in the face of declining growth. We chose Maine Pointe for three particular reasons. We enjoyed the methodology, the commitment, and the ownership bias that was clear. We took advantage of a reference that came from our private equity sponsor that had conducted and succeeded in many projects in the past that had delivered significant savings over the course of that time period. And finally, our introduction to the team, the depth of experience, the breadth of experience, and the continuity of that team, which was promised to us through the course of the engagement, was very compelling. When we began the engagement with Maine Pointe, they brought a concept to us internally that we had not been entirely familiar with. It's termed total value optimization. And it really encompasses not only the sourcing component of supply chain, but it encompasses logistics and the all-in approach within any business for how we move up that curve on the quest of trying to improve the internal functional aspects of each of those important functions. They helped us understand how to break down some of the silos functionally. They helped us understand how to improve global strategic sourcing, how to become better buyers, to become better negotiators, to do many things around the fringes. The measurable results from the engagement were a clear and significant benefit accruing beyond the original estimate of savings. We believe, once fully transitioned, that we can realize $12 to $13 million of actual savings that we can then choose to reinvest into the business. We are an EBITDA-driven business as a private equity-sponsored company. We have a sense of urgency to deliver. Our timeline is not indefinite, and the speed at which we can begin to implement and finalize the transition of what we are now involved in is going to be very impactful to value for our owners.